blocks can be introduced in two different ways, by indenting statements or with parentheses. The first way is to use indenting, as in using if, elif, else, while, for statements or block statement. So if true, and there's your block. While false, and there's your block, and there's your block. Okay? And you can, I guess, define block without giving it a name. The block statement can also be labeled, making it useful for breaking out of loops, and is useful for general scoping as well. So yeah, we have block that we labeled outer, we have loop within a loop, and within some other block, and we can just break all the way to the outer that will jump from here to here. Okay, and shadowing is probably a dumb idea, but if you want it, you can define b just for within that block, so after that block, you return back to this one. Okay. Parentheses can be used as an expression, but they do not provide end of statement inference. So it is necessary to place semicolons yourself. Oh, semicolons? I don't think I've seen single semicolon here. An interesting and unexpected side effect of the syntax is that nim is suitable even for die-hard brace purists. While possible, it doesn't mean it's a good idea. Most nim code does not use parentheses in that way, and it will not be seen as idiomatic. So a procedure square, yep, a return sequence of floats. Oh, and we just started with that. And we just need to remember to, and we started another block here. Let's consider this is not allowed, okay? Because this is a bad idea.